Okay Google, turn on everything. How it's working,
Alright,
thing.
turning on my lamp.
Hello people, welcome to Skillful You, and today I'm gonna tell you how can you convert a very normal bulb like this into a smart one. Yes, right, you can convert any normal appliances like bulbs, fans, tube lights, fridge, even all out into a very smart device, and you can control it via a simple app or by Amazon Alexa or by Google Assistants. Yes, right. So today we'll talk about this, and for this we will be needing a very tiny looking device which is called Wi-Fi smart switch, and it is from Sonoff, and it is available on Amazon India, and it can also be purchased from its own website. Okay, so we'll talk about this a lot in this video. So okay, let's get started. So okay, let's get started and I'll show you how the wiring is done. So suppose this is the Wi-Fi smart switch. I'll draw it here and explain it better. Let's say this is the Wi-Fi smart switch. Wi-Fi smart switch this is, and this is the main line coming, and there are input and this is output. So what you're gonna do is you have to connect the main line. See, this is the main line live wire, and this is main line neutral wire into a marking here. You can see a neutral and live. Okay, and there is also a marking for input and output. Okay, so don't be confused. Connect the live wire to the live and neutral to the neutral, and I'll show you how can you find out which wire is neutral and which wire is live and output. And output will be connected to a normal bulb holder. This is for the understanding only. You can connect any other appliance with this. Here it is. This is the input, this is the neutral, and this is the live. You should always connect the live wire with the red one to memorize, and to memorize it for the further use. Okay, and connect the neutral with the black one. So now I'm going to tell you how can you find out the which one is the live and which one is the neutral. This is a very important step, and you should find out which one is the live. So to finding out, you just need a tester, and you check whether this one, when I put this one in this, it glows or not. No, it's not glowing. Yes, it glows here. You can see it's glowing here. So this one is the live. So what you will do when you will connect this thing to the live, you will take the red one. You will take the red one and connect this. Red one should be here. Okay, so what I did, I made a plug out of here, and I marked the red one with this marking. When I will connect this, I will take this, I will connect it like this. Okay, so the red one will go into the live. So this is very important step, you don't miss it out. I have already made the connections here, so I will now just fix it. It's very simple connections. I will just fix it, and we'll go for the next step, that is with the app. So now I have made all the connections here. I'll show you. This is the output, and I've connected this output to this holder. Input is now connected to this plug. All right, now we will check for the live wire, and we'll connect it. Yes, it's blinking here. So we'll connect the red one here, just like this. Red one into here. So once we will connect, it will start blinking like this. You can see it will search for the Wi-Fi connection. So now what you'll do, you'll just go and grab your mobile phone and you will connect to the home Wi-Fi network, not to the mobile network but to the home Wi-Fi network to help this device connect to your home Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'll show you how. You will go to the App Store and will search for EV-Link. There is an app which is used. I've already searched the EV-Link. You go for this and you will install it, and once you will install it, it will ask you for registrations and everything. If you are a new user, you will go to the register, you will find India, and will give your mobile number. Okay, and once you'll give the mobile number, an OTP will be sent to you on your SMS, and then you will get a password. You get to create a password. You create a password and then you will log in. So now you will go to your mobile phone and you will turn off the mobile data, and you will connect your mobile phone with a home Wi-Fi connection to help this device connect to your home Wi-Fi. So for this, you'll connect your Wi-Fi to your mobile, and then we'll go to the EV Link app. So once you go there, you will see a plus sign there. You just press that, and it will show you there that you should press this ready button, this tiny button, for 5 to 7 seconds. Press and hold for 5 to 7 seconds, then you will start blinking fast. So when this device start blinking fast, you will go to the next. So now we have our Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. So we'll go to the next. So now all the work will be done by the app. It will connect this device to your home Wi-Fi within 3-2 minutes, and you will see that your device will stop blinking, but a stable green light will be glow like this. And now you can name your device like anything. I will name this as my lamp. Okay, so this very name will be used by Amazon Alexa and by Google Assistants also. So you choose your name wisely. I go to the complete, and my device is now successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. Woohoo! And it will show up here, and you will just go on and play with on and off.
This is connected to the Wi-Fi. This is the bulb which is connected with the holder, and this is my smartphone on which I have the app. I will just on the app here. So you can see it is showing that I have one device connected, which is my lamp. What I'll do, I'll just touch this button and see what happens. Oh, it's turned immediately. Oh my god, it's turned off. You can open it like this, and you will see a huge button there. You can just play around on and off, and it shows that it is on. So once you are out of the home, you can see the status of devices that these are on or off. I'm not connected to my home network, and I am just connected to my mobile network. Now I will touch and see what happens. Oh, it's working. It's working in mobile network also. So this means that you can just go out of anywhere, and you can control your devices, appliances with this very app. You can turn on, you can turn off, and it works just fast. So now I'll show you how can you connect your just created device, that is my lamp, to Google Assistant. You'll go to the Google Assistant, go to the settings, and then you go to home control. Then your devices, there are no devices connected. You'll go to the add smart wheeling. This one we have to select. It will go to the browser. You have to input your credentials to connect this account to Google Assistants. It will show linking your smart wheel link account to Google Assistants. Now it has, you will show that your my lamp will now be showing here. Now I'll show you how can you control it by Google Assistants. Okay Google, turn on everything. How it's working.
Alright, turning on my lamp.
It has just turned on my lamp. It's working just fine. Okay Google, turn off everything. So it's working. This command is working. Now check
Sure, turning my lamp off.
for the next command, that is turn off my lamp. Turn on. Okay Google, turn on my lamp. So it's turning on. So
Okay,
you
turning
know
my
what?
lamp on.
So you can call it by the device name which you want to turn off and on.
Hey, so that's all from this video. I'm just gonna mention one more thing, that this bulb is only connected from this switch only. There are no manual switches attached to this bulb. So what you will do once your Wi-Fi connection in your home is down, and so this switch will also get disconnected, and you won't be able to control it via app or Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. What you're gonna do, it's very simple. You can use this ray button which you use for Wi-Fi connection. Press it once, it will on the bulb. You press it once, it will off this one. So what you're gonna do, you have to place this switch, this smart switch, into your switchboard like there. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the manual interventions. Okay, so that's all on this video, and if you like this, please like, subscribe and share. And if you want smart home solutions very easily and in affordable prices, you just go down below into the description and you'll find some contact numbers. You can contact them and they will explain everything about and how you can connect, and they will actually help you out in making your home a smart one. So, and really affordable prices, yeah. So that's all from this video. Stay tuned, stay fit, healthy, and bye bye. Take care.